Oh my god. I have that exact same top. What is this place? And what's with Hunger Games Summer? I can't believe Rick did this.
These are the parts of Rick's adventures you don't get to see.
Looking for this?
What are you doing with that?
It stinks of Rick.
No! Why? Why would you do that? What is the matter with you people? I'm Morty C-137.
Where is your Rick?
He's in prison!
Summer?
He got captured by the Federation and we were going to rescue him.
Hold on, hold on! That's enough, Rick. What's this supposed to accomplish? You love your grandkids. You came to rescue them. I came to kill you, bro. All you gotta do to get that started is kill the girl.
I hate you!
Not an issue, sweetie.
That's enough! Drop the gun, Rick!
Morty, I know you're too stupid to get this, but you're really fucking this up right now.
Who's stupid now, bitch?
Morty, we just got him back!